In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use linked databases in Notion. Linked databases are a really powerful way to reuse the same data across different pages without copying and pasting or creating duplicates. Instead of having multiple separate databases that can get out of sync, you can link to one central database and then view it in different ways depending on the context of the page you're on. Let's walk through exactly how to set this up. First, open Notion and select the page where you want to display your linked database. This can be an existing page, like a project dashboard, a meeting notes page, or even a brand new page you've just created. The key idea is that this page is where you want to pull in an existing database that already lives somewhere else in your workspace. Once you're on that page, click into an empty line where you want the linked database to appear. Now start typing the / character, then the word link right after it. As you type /link or Notion will show you a menu of commands that match what you're entering. From that menu, look for the option called Linked View of Database or Linked View of Data Source and click on it. This is Notion's way of saying you're about to create a new view of an existing database instead of starting a brand new one. Choosing this option ensures that any edits you make here will stay in sync with the original database. After you click that, Notion will open a small panel where you can search for the database you want to link. You'll see a list of databases from your workspace. Start typing the name of the database you want, such as your tasks list, content calendar, CRM, or any other database you already have. When you see the right one appear in the list, click on it to select it. As soon as you select it, Notion will place a linked version of that database right on your page. From here, you can change the view type, add filters, sort your data, or hide and show properties, just like you would in the original. The nice thing is, you're always working with the same underlying data, so changes in one place are reflected everywhere that database is linked. That's all you need to start using linked databases in Notion.